So I just read that MySQL 8.0 has undergone some massive optimizations lately. Like, did you know they improved the InnoDB storage engine for scalability?
Oh, that's really interesting. So they're addressing some performance issues that have been lingering since version 8.028, right?
Exactly. And it gets crazier. There's been a redo log optimization. Performance levels are supposed to have jumped significantly.
Wait, redo logs? That's a critical part of transaction processing. Optimizing them can totally enhance how quickly data writes are handled.
Right? And they've also tackled join performance degradation. They've somehow reverted it back to previous levels. That's pretty wild.
No way, so users who were frustrated with slow joins could see massive improvements? That's huge for people with complex queries.
Totally. And get this, bulk insert performance has been improved too. They changed the data structure to mitigate slowdowns.
That makes sense. I mean, bulk inserts can be a real drag on performance. It sounds like they're really focused on efficiency.
And wait, there's also improved scalability in high concurrency situations. MySQL was struggling in NUMA environments.
That's a game changer. Many companies are moving toward NUMA architecture for performance, so this could save them a lot of headaches.
Exactly. They've really rethought the group replication models too, aiming for better stability and performance.
Why is group replication so tricky, though? It's like a balancing act for MySQL with consistency and availability.
Great question. They've simplified a lot. Removing the conflict detection part and revamping the Paxos protocol seems to help with performance.
So by streamlining the process, they've boosted the write performance? That's pretty clever.
Totally, and snapshotting replicas has been tweaked to improve the replay speed. Can you believe how much has changed?
Wow, this is blowing my mind. It's like they took a long, hard look at every bottleneck and started fixing them one by one.
Right, and they're focusing on real-world testing. They recommend tools to show real performance improvements.
Speaking of recommendations, I noticed they suggest benchmark SQL for testing. Sounds smart.
Yeah, they emphasize benchmarking in environments that mimic actual workloads. It's essential for reliable data.
Gotcha. So they're really honing in on user experience rather than just theoretical performance.
Exactly. And can you believe they're releasing fixes within a week after the official MySQL updates?
That's a rapid turnaround. I guess it helps maintain user trust if they're constantly delivering enhancements.
Absolutely. They want to ensure MySQL doesn't decline with newer releases, which is so thoughtful for community users.
And they're addressing strong consistency reads even, maintaining just a millisecond of latency. That's impressive.
I know, right? High availability is key for those large-scale situations, especially for internet companies.
It's fascinating how they're balancing technical challenges with practical needs.
Exactly. And they're offering users resources to learn about optimization techniques. What a way to engage.
Feels like a win-win. Users can benefit from improved performance and pick up some knowledge along the way.
And did you see their focus on long-term improvements rather than just quick fixes? That's refreshing.
Totally. It shows they're committed to making MySQL a robust choice for different scenarios.
So, all of this makes me wonder, how do we see these improvements making waves in the industry?
Good question. I think for internet companies, this could really mean a smoother operational experience.
Right? And as users embrace these features, it could set a new standard for database performance.
Exactly. This discussion has really opened my eyes to how impactful these changes can be.
I feel the same. It's fascinating to think about the ripple effects of improved database performance.
And let's not forget, more developers will get on board with optimized MySQL if they see real benefits.
Right. It's like a domino effect. The more reliable and performant MySQL becomes, the more trust it'll build.
And at the end of the day, engaged users lead to a better overall community. That's powerful.
For sure. And you know what? It's super exciting to think that we're just at the beginning of this optimization journey.
Absolutely. Here's to hoping we see even more innovative improvements in future MySQL versions.
And hopefully they'll really leverage user feedback as they continue refining these features.
That's got to be the best way to close the loop on enhancing user experience while ensuring solid performance.
Definitely. This has been such a thrilling discussion. I can't wait to see what happens next in the MySQL landscape.